In this video, we will be learning how we can create a new partition on our Windows 11 device. So for that, we will be opening first our disk management, and we can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon and select the disk management option. Now, once you're already in the disk management window, all you need to do is just to go to the C drive. So we have here C drive, and I also have here two volumes, the new volume A and new volume D. Now, if you want to create a new partition from our C drive, all we need to do is just to make a right click on that and then select this shrink volume option here. Now, let's just wait for this one to be done. And you need to decide how much of space that you want to put in your new volume. And if you want to have a 10 gigabytes or 5 gigabytes new volume of space, all you need to do is just to compute first the value of 5 gigabytes into MB. Now we need to open our calculator, and here we need to type calculator. And once we have already opened the calculator, all you need to do is just to multiply the total number of gigabytes that you want for your new volume to have. For example, you would like to have 10 gigabytes. Now we need to multiply this with 1024. This is the value of 1 gigabytes into MB, and we need to multiply this with 10 because we want 10 gigabytes of space. So we need to click now equals, and there we have the value for the MB of, or we have now the total value of the MB with 10 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes of space. Yeah. So we need to copy this and we need to put that in here in this section. We need to paste it. And if we can't paste it, then we can just manually type it, 10,224. Now this is the value of 10 gigabytes in MB. After typing this one, just please click on shrink, and then the next thing we need to do is just wait for the loading process to be done. And we need to assign a letter, by the way, with our new volume. And since we have already new volume A and D, we can't add this letters to the new volume that we will be making. So we have now 10 gigabytes of unallocated space. We need to make a right click on this one and then create this, or click this new simple volume option. Click on next option, and here we need to proceed with next. And with the assigning of the drive letter with our drive, all we need to do is just to, if you don't want to assign it with letter E or with the default letter that will appear here, just click this drop down button and then select any letter that you would like for this new simple volume or new volume to have. For example, I'd like to have it letter B. So after assigning it a letter, then click on next, and then don't forget to choose the NTFS file system. If it's not selected yet, then please click this drop down button and select the NTFS option. Once you have done this one, just click on next and then click on finish, and you will see in this section that we have already added a new volume B. And if you want to check this one, we can open our file explorer, and then in this PC option, you will be getting the new volume B that we have just added with 9.95 or almost 10 gigabytes free of space here. Okay, so that's it. That's how you're gonna create a new partition in your Windows 11 device. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.